show them the hill?
Okay, yeah, this is really
Here,
sick.
guys, look. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we're gonna grab all your trees.
All the sides cracked.
Go check it out. Slowly, careful, don't go that fast.
Don't forget you signed that waiver, okay, suckers?
I have a question. There's a way over there.
Oh gosh. Okay, but that's way boring.
Yeah, this is the cool people way.
Watch it.
If I die, my life will go on to afterlife, and I will be.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god! I almost just slipped.
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah, that was the route that I tripped on yesterday.
Oh, God.
We've been here yesterday. Holy.
And when we were climbing that mountain, we climbed that thing 3 times.
Oh yeah, we'll tell you guys about the mountain later. I'm gonna show my dad this video later.
Basically like live streaming.
This is gonna take like longer than the climbing video we just did. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Yo, Ethan! Wait up!
Well, one of my last conversations with Stephanie was just already, just like solid update on Germany, out west, And I actually wanted to just talk to you.
Okay guys, I have a fear of heights, and this is scary AF.
Considerable fork in the road for Germany.
Oh, you did? I don't know how to rock skip. Do you know how to
I'm better than Tony at rock skipping. My best was 18.
pro skill?
My best was like 6.
Do it with your phone.
No.
No.
No, this is my dad's phone.
Just walk over.
Let's go. I'm not gonna get my shoes.
Okay.
Oh, look, a doggy.
Yeah, he is.
Oh yeah, shoot.
I'm gonna cross your bridge. I can't risk getting my
Pass
shoes.
it over.
What?
I'll pass it over. Just go to the air and I'll pass it over.
Nah, I'm just gonna cross your bridge. Way easier. I can't risk throwing this phone. It took us about 1 minute 50 seconds to get down here. Oh, Tony's going down this way. It's risky. Oh my god.
The doggy was peeing.
I should have brought
Can I
my
hold it?
AirPods. Dude, this is my dad's phone. I ain't trusting you.
Okay.
Yeah.
What the hole? Hole.
It's been 2 minutes.
And
It's about to be
56
3
seconds.
minutes. And it's about
The
to
doggy
be
was
awesome.
peeing. Did you see that?
Yeah.
The dog without insulation. What if it? Oh god, that was a fail.
Yeah.
Here, wait. Where are we supposed to go even? So we're supposed to, we covered.
We're supposed to keep going
Yeah, we
forward.
covered the rocks. No, I'm saying we went. Covered the rocks. Covered the mountain up. Covered the sightseeing place. Covered the the hill.
Okay, guys,
Covered
let's
the
start
river.
jogging. We
No.
don't have that long.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to do this next thing. This is our last thing, guys.
Yeah, and then after this, we can just explore random places.
Just to get there, Gary.
Let's see if we can find a frog and capture it. But we can't make it poisonous. Yeah, let's see if we can capture a freaking frog in this episode. Oh, this is gonna use a lot of Wi-Fi because I'm uploading it to YouTube.
I know, we're getting farther too. I know you're stupid.
Which way are we going? That way. That way. We're going that way, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, we are.
Ah, crap. I
I've
just...
been to get thousands of times. Actually, this is the 3rd time going under the bridge. Actually, 4th time. Trust me, you're in good hands.
No, we have no views yet.
Whoa.
Because people think our videos suck.
Okay, waiver. Wait, what do you mean suck? Why do they think
Like, no. The videos, the channel's name is my dad's account, see? So it's Joan Boy Young. So, like, not a lot of people will search it out.
Yeah, let's say they just see on their homepage. And they do a lot of nature walk videos searching. And they're recommended for you, that's it. Comment down below.
And then
Is
they like it, and then they share it, and then we get a bajillion views.
Yeah, then we get rich. But it's going
Okay,
to
let's go down there. Again.
It feels like it's more flooded than yesterday.
Yeah, it just rained this morning.
Oh, yeah.
You stupid? And it rained yesterday.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
This is where we were yesterday. there's
Wow.
Look at that huge root.
Oh, yeah, it feels like a beautiful birthday.
I think you're really bad at
Oh,
recording.
wait.
No offense.
I know.
You only showed
Oh,
them.
wait.
We showed them it very slowly,
I
like a
did.
couple seconds.
Yeah, they could just pause the video and see for themselves.
Comment down below if we're gonna get lost or not. I think we're safe.
Ah! Judging by the fact we don't have a single view.
goddamn shoes.
You can't
Show them the shoes. Show them.
it's
Tony's
so dirty
brand
under
new
it.
shoes.
Okay, guys, let's
Brand
go back
new.
up.
Like the second time wearing them. First time.
No, the third time.
Third time. Oh. Already. Oh, we're sick.
Country road. Okay,
Hum.
Nathan, we gotta sing this song. We're gonna be going under
Oh,
that.
yeah.
Johnny.
Follow the leader.
Their leader. Follow your leader, leader. Hey, like that's our stick from it.
Leader. Copyright lyrics. Follow the leader, leader.
Follow your leader, leader. Follow your
No, you're
leader,
off tune.
leader.
Follow the leader,
Leader.
leader.
Follow your leader, leader. Follow your leader, leader.
Copyright lyrics. Follow the leader, leader. Follow the leader, leader.
Look, the water is really flowing.
saying-
Oh my god! Careful, puddle.
Just saying we made the song. I made the song. Copyright.
No.
Follow the leader. Yeah, sure thing. Follow the leader. Wait, no. Wait, is it copyright? I have no idea.
Imagine we climb up the bridge this time, and then we go back to my house.
Show them. What's those small holes there? Show them. A couple seconds of it. Zoom in.
I did.
Can you
Okay,
zoom
fine.
in?
Yeah, I can. It's not staying in one place. There are snakes here.
Follow your leader, leader.
Follow the leader.
Leader.
Follow the ugly leader. Follow the ugly leader. Follow the leader, leader. Follow the ugly leader. Oh, mud puddle. The leader, leader. Follow the leader, leader.
Oh, look at those
Follow the
smush.
leader, leader.
Follow the leader, leader. Follow the leader, leader. Follow the leader, leader.
Follow the leader, leader. Follow. This brings us good luck. Follow the leader, leader. Follow the leader, leader. Follow the leader, leader.
Follow the leader. Tony just screwed his step.
Show this part. Show this part. You see that circular part right there? Like sure. You see that circular part? That thing right there is sightseeing. Cars go up there. Look at the river. You see
They know. Oh, that's so dirty. Someone pooped in it.
I think he did. See, we made the doo-doo man, right?
No, pooper man. I
No,
can't.
it's doo-doo man.
No, I made
it's
a.
doo-doo man. And you good. You haven't spit
No,
this morning
doo-
once.
No, I did spit this morning.
Oh, I didn't see you. Look at this. Look at that.
No, Doo
Show
Doo
them
Man,
it.
which on YouTube, is a really funny poop show, which inspired me to make a comic book hero called Pooper Man. And Pooper
The
Man.
mask from yesterday is even more
Oh,
dirty.
yeah.
The mask
That's
from
like
yesterday.
even more dirtier.
I guess
And yesterday, a few years ago when I made Pooper Man, my friend made Diarrhea Man. We had a competition to see who's better.
lost?
We only made one comic about it.
Who
One
won?
comic.
Who won?
Pooper Man, of course, because I was the one that made the comic. But eventually we put the differences aside and we made Butt Man. The hero of the skies.
This is so inappropriate for your video.
No, like about poop.
So guys, show the video. Show the small. Look. Look at the
Oh, Jesus!
small- It's so slippery this thing.
Oh, I just slipped.
Um.
Okay, it's been 9 minutes. Like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna end this video and then post it, so yeah.